So this is our website. Now I will install our plugin here and show you how it works. So let's go to dashboard and from plugins, click add plugin. At the search bar, type Dynamic AJAX Product Filters for WooCommerce. Search. You will get our plugin in the search result, and here it is. Dynamic AJAX Product Filters for WooCommerce. You can simply install it from here, or you can Google Dynamic AJAX Product Filters, and here is our plugin. You can also download our plugin from here and upload it from here. You can also get our plugin from our website plugincy.com, and plugin you will see our available plugin. So here is our AJAX Product Filters plugin. You can download free and premium both version from here. So I'll go back to our dashboard. I will install our plugin from here. It's finally installed. So let's go to plugins. Now I will activate our plugin. So finally I have activated our free version. Now I'll show you its free features and then I will upgrade Pro to show its advanced features. So let's go to shop page and I will add our filter at left sidebar. So let's customize the page. Now let's go to widget, WooCommerce sidebar. I'll click add block. Now let's search Dynamic AJAX here. You can also add our filter with shortcodes. I have added with widget. Let's publish. So finally our plugin has been added to our site. Now I'll show you how they work. Let's search for laptop. Here's the result. Now I'm clearing it. Now we'll filter with 5-star rating and the results coming with 5-star product. Let's reset it. Here you can also filter with price range. Let's minimize the max price. You can again go with the max value. You can also filter with tag, category, processor, color, and more. You can add more filter here and to customize this filter option with our Plugincy's dashboard. So let's go to product filters. And this is our plugin dashboard. From here, you can manage your form, do different style for each filter, and can use our form template. And this option is for SEO and permalink. And here is for advanced settings. And the last option is for plugin license. And the right side, you will see shortcodes for displaying filter. And you can learn more about shortcodes from this side. And here is a tips. Instead of shortcode, we recommend using our Elementor widget and Gutenberg block for easier management. If our filter is not working, you can clear cache or view our documentation, or you can temporarily deactivate other filter plugin to check for the conflicts. Or if you still face any issues, reach out to our plugin support. We are always here to help. And this is our FAQ section. You can see here the most probably asked question.